things that you're gonna keep in mind is you're gonna want to take a shower before you shave. It's gonna soften up all the hairs on your face, and it's just gonna help you shave out a ton.
So this is my first lather, which I believe is the most important. This is the first time the razor is gonna hit your face.
Touch more water to it.
With Stirling Soap Company, it's very easy to whip up a very nice lather. Just use the tips of the brush to work the soap into your face. Wow, what a lather. Alrighty, here we go. On our first pass with a Merkur 34c with a feather blade. We're going with the grain on this pass. That's the way the direction of your hair is growing on your face. That's a pretty good first pass. The owners of Stirling Soap Company make one hell of a soap. What a great camera angle. You can hear that razor just slicing right through that hair. Comment below and tell me what you use to get this type of shave. I am using very light pressure. I'm just dragging the razor's weight across my face. This is key. I love not having to get the tweezers out to get those hairs underneath my nose. If you like the content that I'm putting out, subscribe down below. I did get a little too aggressive in this shave. See if you can pick it out at the end. That's a really close shot of that razor in action. With the grain on my neck. Very easy with this setup. Alright, first pass is complete. Now I'm going to lather up and do the second pass across the grain. Have you switched yet? Have you switched over using a double-edged razor? Comment down below and let me know if you've switched or what you're using. I'm curious to know. I'm telling you, this soap is so slick. That razor's going right through it like butter. Stirling Soaps uses beef talon in their soaps, and I'm here to tell you, it's slick as slick can be. It is wonderful on your face. This second pass is almost BBS. It is that clean. Baby butt smooth. Onto my neck. My hair grows to my ears from my chin. I can't shave that way with my Gillette Fusion. My neck would be a road map of blood. Okay, you made it. Now we're gonna go against the grain for the final pass. Have you watched my video against the grain, slow motion? It's pretty killer. Alright, so we're going to skip through the face lather and get to the nitty gritty. Against the grain. Butter, smooth as a baby's butt. Oh yeah, that's close, my friends. Very close. I can't believe since I switched from using a Gillette Fusion to safety razors, how well my skin looks, and I'm actually enjoying shaving again. I was one of those guys that hated to shave. I mean, I would go 3 days, 4 days if I could, because man did I hate shaving. I knew I was gonna have razor burn for a day or two, and you know, I'm trying to set that out for the week the right way. Wow, things we go through. The most satisfying thing is all my ingrown hairs on my face are gone. I mean gone. I can't find one anywhere on my face. I had my face up to the mirror before I even started shaving today to see if I could pluck some of them out, and I couldn't find any. These razors are unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't know why everyone does not shave this way. How did we lose this? How? This is so efficient. It's inexpensive. My Lord. I love it. I'm never going back. Alright, so I'm going to go around my face and touch it up where I can feel any type of stubble. Here we go. That's what you call baby butt smooth, my friends. Baby butt smooth. Did you see it? Yep. I almost got myself. That angle was a little too aggressive. Make sure you pick up an alum block. This thing is a smoother of the face. I mean, if you have any type of burn or anything, any nicks, it'll seal it up with no problem. Definitely get one. If you're not using aftershave, you're missing out. This stuff doesn't smell like your grandpa, that's for sure. Well, thanks for shaving with me today. I have a few more videos that you're going to want to check out so we can continue on this journey. See you next time.